Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Cody Wolf. We're here at the Bel-Ray studio. I want to show you our Big Twin transmission gear oil. For starters, it's a mineral base 85-140 Hypoid gear oil. This product is actually the same as our Hypoid gear oil 85-140, just a different label. But the Big Twin transmission oil is available in a 1 liter bottle. This product works in 5 and 6 speed transmissions and is the color red for easy leak detection. It offers a GL5 rating for improved lubrication over a motor oil. It also has increased wear protection to extend the life of your transmission. Most notably, this product is going to eliminate your first gear clunks, your gear whine, and your common Harley transmission complaints. For more information on this product or the rest of our line, visit Bel-Ray.com and be sure to like and follow our social media accounts.